Hi friends, we're going to do some more takeaway stories today. Listen to my takeaway story. Joey had 10 buttons on his jacket. 2 buttons broke off his jacket. How many buttons are left on his jacket? Look up here. The circles represent the buttons on Joey's jacket. What I want you to do is go ahead and draw a number bond. Does your number bond look like my number bond? Great. Okay, listen carefully. We need to cross off the part that goes away. Joey has 10 buttons on his jacket. Here are my 10 buttons. 2 of his buttons break off of his jacket. What should I do to 2 of the buttons? X them off. Great. Watch me X off 2 buttons. How many buttons are left on Joey's jacket? How can we figure that out? Awesome. Let's count the buttons that are left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. 8 buttons are left. Let's fill in our number bond together. We always start by filling in our hole. Awesome. How many buttons are there all together? 10. Great. Make a 10. Now we need to fill in our parts. Think. How many buttons are crossed off? How many buttons do not have X's on them? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 buttons without an X. How many buttons with X's? 2. Great. Put a 2 in your other part. We need to X off the part that went away. Which is the part that we took away? Awesome. 2 is the part we took away. Put an X on your 2. Now let's write our takeaway sentence. Remember, when we write a takeaway sentence, you always start with your whole. Awesome. Make the number 10. What's that sign called that means take away? Minus. Excellent. Make the minus sign. The next number is the number that we took away. How many buttons fell off the jacket? 2. Good job. Make the number 2. Now, what's that sign that means the same as? Equals. Good job. Make the equal sign. The next number is the buttons that are left. How many buttons are left on the jacket? 8. Awesome. Let's read that number sentence together. Ready? 10 minus 2 equals 8. Good job. I have a few questions. What does the 10 represent in our number story? All those buttons. Good job. What does the 2 represent? Excellent. The 2 buttons that fell off, the 2 we took away. What does the 8 represent? The 8 buttons that are left on the jacket. Great job. Okay, get ready. We're going to do another one together. If you're using a whiteboard, go ahead and erase your whiteboard. If you're using a piece of paper, find a nice spot to start our drawing. This time, we're going to do the drawing together. When we do our drawing, we're going to do it the 5-group way. Listen carefully to my story. Aubrey had 10 toy cars. 4 cars drove away. How many cars are left? Listen again. Aubrey had 10 cars. What could we draw to represent those 10 cars? Excellent. Quick circles. Let's do our quick circles the 5-group way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Do you have your 10 circles? Good job. Listen to the next part of the story. Here are Aubrey's 10 cars. 4 of them drove away. What should we do to 4 of those circles? Awesome. Let's X them off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now look at your picture. How many cars are left? Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars are left. Great job. Let's go ahead and draw our number bond. Good job. Let's see if we can fill those numbers in on our number bond. Take a look. Do you know what our whole is? How many cars are there all together? 10. Good job. Now let's fill in our parts. Let's start with the part that we took away. How many cars drove away? 4. Great. Make a number 4. Now look at your picture. How many cars do we still have left? Great. 6. Go ahead and make the number 6. Now what I want to do is put an X on the part we took away. Which part did we take away? 4. Good job. Now let's fill in that number sentence. Remember, we always start with our whole. Good job. Make that number 10. What's the sign that means take away? Minus. Awesome. The next number is how many we took away. Look at your number bond. How many cars drove away? 4. Good job. Make that 4. What's the sign that means the same as? Equals. Awesome. And the next number is how many cars are left. How many cars do we have left? 6. Great. Put your finger under your number sentence. Let's read it together. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Great job solving takeaway stories today.